How to make rock-hard erection. Weak erection is the main cause of infertility in men. It is a condition where a man is not able to get a good erection or the erection is very weak. Because of the problem of male health dysfunction, it causes psychological effects such as dissatisfaction, stress, guilty feeling, and strain in the relationship. The main reason behind this problem may be psychological or physical or a combination of both. The physical aspects that are responsible for the problem of erectile dysfunction are hypertension, deformity of the penis, heart ailments, prostate problems, and diabetes. In this video, you will know causes of male impotence. Bonus tip for permanent cure. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Causes of male impotence. Before doing anything, it is important to know the main cause of impotence. If your main aim is to offer satisfaction to your partner during lovemaking, then you must focus on improving the strength of your male organ. Excessive masturbation is the main cause of impotence, and so it needs to be avoided. This habit makes the intimate organs weaker, which affects the reproductive system of men automatically, because of which fertility gets disturbed. Inappropriate way of blood flowing to the organs of the reproductive system is the cause of erectile dysfunction. Some social and psychological problems associated with this problem are depression, high cholesterol, and stress. Impotence can also occur due to hormonal imbalances like hyperthyroidism, low testosterone levels, diabetes, and hypothyroidism. Some bad habits like drinking alcohol, using drugs, and smoking are also responsible for this problem. Erectile dysfunction problems can be effectively and easily treated with the help of herbal remedies. Bonus tip. Proper exercises and diet are important, along with taking herbal supplements. In order to treat the weak erection problem, Mast Mood capsules can be used regularly. These herbal products contain herbs for impotence cure. In order to treat various sexual health problems like weakness, impotence, erectile dysfunction, Mast Mood capsule is highly effective. If you want to know how to get Mast Mood capsule discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. It is a combination of potential herbs, nutrients, and aphrodisiacs which are effective and popular in treating the problem from the root cause and other health dysfunctions as well. Mast Mood capsule increases the blood flow to the genital organs of men and rejuvenates the entire reproductive system. Mast Mood capsule increases sensitivity in the male organ. It helps in improving the circulation of blood, which is needed for an erection. As per the current situation and scientific studies, it has been discovered that herbal treatment to overcome impotence is the best remedy to offer strength to the sexual organs. Natural aphrodisiacs included in Mast Mood capsules offer a sufficient amount of nutrients to the tissues of the penile area, and various types of male problems can also be handled effectively. You can get a great amount of stamina, physical strength, and endurance, which are essential to enhance the performances in bed at night. Mast Mood capsule is one of the best herbal products which helps you to get rid of this undesired problem. Herbs for male health. These supplements contain some herbs like Valvading, Umbellia, Adriatu, Embellica ribes, Abrach basma, Lau basma, Gurji, Shud shilajit, Ras cinder, Hamalkari, etc. These herbs can deal with any type of erectile dysfunction problem in men, and that too with immediate effects. You can feel the positive effects within a short duration of using these supplements. The length of the male organ can be maintained apart from providing strength to the muscles of penile tissues. This herbal treatment to overcome erectile dysfunction is very popular these days, as men are getting good results by using it. Blood circulation should be normalized in the genital organs, and so you need to take Mast Mood capsules regularly without fail. Healthy blood circulation will maintain the health of the male organ, because of which unwanted erection problems can be permanently eliminated. You can also get a relaxing mood, because of which sexual arousal becomes easy and performances can also be improved. World's finest erection enhancer pills.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Mast Mood capsules at naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description. Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.